Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today we got something you might not know you can do. What am I talking about? Well, before I can get into that, that is our telephone number. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at the store. So come on over here, buddy. What do we have? Well, we have a Ford F-150 here, and this gentleman is using his Ford as a work truck here. He's got the UWS toolbox on here and the Extang Trifecta 2.0. This is a folding cover. This is one of their newer covers. I tell you, it's a great looking cover. It is a marine grade. I mean, it is protected against the UV. If you notice on the edges here, it's got a nice look here, nice and clean looking. And Extang, we've been selling their soft covers for a long time. Really good product here. So let's go ahead and open this up here and come right around here. Let's take a look here. So you pull this down here, that locks in here. Now, I know a lot of times people are like, oh, I got a toolbox, I can't get a cover. Well, you can. So you can get it covered, no problem whatsoever. We got, as you can see here, he's got stuff inside here. He's using it as a work truck here, and that's okay. You can use it as a work truck, but you got to use your toolbox here. Great product. You do have it. You can see you can slide everything under the toolbox. There's a seal in the front of the toolbox. There's a seal in the back of the toolbox. Now, the toolboxes are not known for keeping water out, but Extang does everything they can to help with that. Also, if you look over here, this does have a nice locking mechanism here, so when it comes in here, it holds it really good for you. I'm going to do that, and when they're not used, they lock right in here. Also, if you look here, look at this nice triple seal here in the end here that keeps the water out, and it's got extra reinforcement here. It's got aluminum, marine grade aluminum, by the way, and that extra support system does a great job at keeping your frame of your cover together. Now, it does have a little arch here, so if water won't sag inside there. So again, this comes right around here. This is going to come down here. There we go, locking in place. And that's nice thing, you got all your dirty work stuff hidden so everyone can't see it. There we go. Let's see. Better, I guess, when I look. All right. So if you got a work truck and you got your toolbox, you don't want everyone to see all your stuff, this is a great way to go. We can ship it to you. You can come in here, let's do the installation for you. We can put a 1-year labor guarantee on all our work here. And like I said, if you don't live here in Florida, not a problem. We ship all over the country. So you live in Texas, California, no problem. We'll send it right to you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Extang Trifecta 2.0, and I guess on the UWS toolbox as well on a Ford F-150. Before I forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.